and welcome to Motor India's YouTube channel. Our guest for today, Mr. Yash Raj Verma, Managing Director, Future Autotech Global Ventures Private Limited. Yash, welcome to the show.
Thank you so
And
much.
congratulations on the launch of the new bus, the new electric bus. So I want to understand, you have I think showcased this product the last Pravas, and
Yeah,
then
last
this Pravas, your product is ready and then set the road.
Yeah, we are starting our production in next 15 days, and within 3 months, it's a time period on which we are delivering the buses. The two buses will be already deployed in Bhopal. That will be running in Bhopal and Balaghat route or Bhopal Nagpur route. After 2 or 3 months, we will be deploying 10 buses on the same route.
Okay.
And later on, there are so many leasing options on which the operators are willing to buy buses, and there are many inquiries which have been coming from Ahmedabad, Chennai, and Bangalore, Maharashtra. So we are ready for a big setup, a big factory to scale up the production and deliver at least 30 to 35 buses per month. So we have that capacity.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a sleeper variant.
This is a seater sleeper variant.
And seater sleeper variant.
Yeah.
Would you also be having a completely seater variant for
We
STUs?
have completely sleeper variant and seater sleeper variant. And for seater variant, it will take a bit of time because as per the new rules given by mods, that ADAS is getting compulsory. So for the ADAS integration, we need at least 6 months time, and after that 3 months time we need it for homologation purpose. So we need at least 7 to 8 months for completely prototyping and testing stage. After that only we can start the production and supply our customers.
This is part of Verma Group, you said.
Yeah, this is a Verma Group, and our sister concern company is Verma Travels. So in India, we are the only bus operator who is an OEM also and a bus operator.
Okay.
So we manufacture buses, sell it to others, and we also consume it on our. तो एक लोगों को विश्वास होता है कि जो बस बना रहा है वो खुद भी यूज कर रहा है.
Okay.
हम अपने लिए कभी कोई गलत चीज नहीं बनाते हैं.
Okay, that
आपने
means-
सुना होगा.
Yeah, that is interesting. So, where is the factory? And then you already told the capacity.
Yeah.
Where is the factory, and how do you plan to expand it?
Yeah, so I'll come to that point. The factory right now, which we have, is having a capacity of 12 to 15 buses per month, and we are also bringing a big factory which will be near to the Bhopal. That factory will be having a capacity of at least 25 to 30 buses per month. So in the meantime, that factory is getting ready. We have tie-up with Sanatan Bus Bodybuilders.
Okay.
That is in Indore. We have tie-up with Prakash Bus Bodybuilders in Bangalore. So if any operators have a specific choice that they want to make it in Prakash or they want to make it in-house from Future Autotech, it's their choice.
So that means you have the chassis, right?
Yeah, we
You
have the
And
chassis.
then the body is built by the third party.
Yeah, the body is built by us only.
Okay.
But if the capacity, if the orders are increasing,
okay.
then we can give it to them.
Okay.
For manufacturing.
So
yeah.
that means they will build
Build the
according
body
to your specification.
according to our specification, with our checklist, our rules and regulations. Everything will be monitored by Future Autotech. Then only bus can go ahead to the operator for delivery.
Okay. I could see that you created a lot of space.
Yeah,
for
there is a
the-
lot of.
Yeah, can you explain where your battery is placed and then how you have created?
This is a 6.5 cubic meter space for luggage. That's a lot of space, and we have 12 battery packs, and all the battery packs have FDSA system attached in it, so that if any mishappens is there or fire is detected, it will automatically shut down that fire.
Okay.
So we have installed, and in the first two seats, we have installed a bell for the elderly people or those who are having any
Issues,
disability,
yeah.
so that they can ring the bell and the conductor or the cabin host can come directly to them.
Okay.
So
Where is the? Can you explain the position of the batteries? Because you said 12 different.
Yeah, so there are 12 battery packs. Two sets are over there. 2 sets are over there. 4. Then 4 are over there.
Okay.
So these are the placement of battery.
That is
and
from the middle and the end.
not the middle is the luggage space.
Okay.
At the end side, yeah,
Okay.
almost there. So all the batteries are cooled with the JTEC AC system which we have installed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other technological innovations that you have come out with?
Technological advancement, I can say that we are continuously doing the health monitoring of the bus so that we can find out what all things we need to improve and what all things are already best in the market. So we are continuously working on that, and according to us, as we are an operator also, this is the best bus for an operator use, and we are also giving AMC along with it. If they want battery replacement, we can give a battery replacement after 5 lakh warranty period also.
Okay.
And the motor is of 5 lakh kilometer or 5 years, whichever is earlier. Chassis frame is of 5 years warranty guarantee. Yeah.
The capacity, passenger capacity.
22 seats and 20 sleeper is the passenger capacity.
Okay, so that means 42 people can travel.
Yeah, 42 people can easily travel in this bus.
Is it conforming to all the standards, AIS standards?
It is already conformed with all the standards. It is certified from GAR, AIS 119, AIS 52, AIS 153. It is compliance with everything.
Can you tell us about the order book? You mentioned that you got orders from different.
Yeah, we are getting
Chennai
orders
also.
from multiple operators. There are several clients who are continuously inquiring us. They have already put the quotation for bank financing, and there are many leasing companies also which are approaching to us, and they are going to lease our buses so that more number of people, even the small operators, can afford it and move the bus industry ahead. My vision is to keep the bus industry in a luxurious way so that people, it should not be the last choice.
Okay.
It should be the first choice. Yeah, so that's
Interesting.
my vision. I want to make the bus industry at that level.
Wonderful, Yash. Lovely talking to you. Thank you
Thank
for
you
your
so
time.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.